Okay, I have some data in the pivot table. I want to sort it. I first put the code here, and then I put, for example, some other information I put something called push here, and I put down a figure here, right? Okay, so then I put some name here as well. Okay. So you can see that the figure are not really sorted here. You want to sort, say, from the bigger to smaller, right? I click here and say, I want to, uh, you see I cannot, uh, what's the option, right? And I say, ascending, and I say, and I say, okay. Yeah. So it actually not going to sort it as well, right? You have to come here and you really right click this guy and okay, hold on. Wait, it's quite tricky. You say sort here, right? So we get now you see there's some sorting happen. Like here, right click sort that this one. Uh-huh. See, this is the right way to sort. Here is sort this one. Here, you cannot come here and sort the KG, right? It doesn't really sort like this now. You have to come here, right click and say sort here, only it will sort it properly.